Ay, inaw!
Ay, inaw!
Si Bigaw.
Hello, hello, hello. Sound check.
Si Bigaw. 22?
Asan, ballpen? Ah, lapis pala.
Ba't labis? Para magbuburada.
Para mabubura pa. This is the finals game number 1 in senior division between Jonas Bill versus S. Ginita. Hello, sir. May mic? May mic?
Meron.
Sound.
Ano pangalan ng isa? Hindi ko malalaman yan. Alin? Ano ba narinig sa sarili mo?
Job ball between Corcolon and Almonte. First possession for Jonas Bill. Almonte binigay kay Halil. Bilo, far for 3, it's not good. Rebound by Alcantara. Binigay kay De Castro. Back to Alcantara. Alcantara 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. It's same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. De Castro fires for 2 points by De Castro. Halili make. Binigay kay Pumupula. Almonte. 2 points by Almonte. Alcantara for Colon, fires for 3, it's not good. Rebound by Almonte. Pumupula, back to Almonte, back to Pumupula. Binigay kay Halili. Halili fires for 3. Halili, 3 points. Alcantara. For Colon, 3 points. Halili, 15 seconds to shoot. Binigay kay Pino sa gitna. Resetting the play, 10 seconds to shoot. Bumubula, fire force 2, it's not good. Rebound by Corcolon. Corcolon nagmamadali. Pinasa Alcantara. 2 points by Alcantara. Halili, pinasa kay Almonte. It's starting good. Out of bounds, it's ball possession for Esquilita. Alcantara. Binigay kay Corcolon. Back to Corcolon. Out of bounds, it's same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Again, 13 seconds to shoot. Alcantara fires for 3. It's not a good rebound by Almonte pa rin. Almonte, nakakit sa Bilo. Bilo, Eurostep, lazy rock. 2 points by Bilo. The score is deadlock 7. De Castro, Alcantara, Corcolon. 12 seconds to shoot. De Castro, fire for 3, in and out, rebound by Bilo. Pinasa Halili, it's not good. Rebound by De Castro. Binigay kay Corcolon. Pinasa kay Corcolon. Back to Corcolon. Fixed. It's a foul. Coach foul on rep. Halili. First personal foul. First team foul. For Jonas Bill. 2 shots by Corcolon. One. 0-8. Last throw by Corcolon. It's starting to rebound by Almonte. Almonte hesitates, lays it up, it's too short. Nakakuha ni Halili. Halili is 0 points by Halili. Alcantara. Alcantara. Binigay kay Carcolon. Fires for 3. It's too strong. Rebound by Bilo. Ayan na si Bilo. Intercepted by Alcantara. Ibinigay na kay Carcolon. It's starting good. Rebound by Halili. Bilo. 3 points. Timeout. Esquisita. The score is 7-12 in favor of Jonas B. Last 6 minutes and 24 seconds. White Sox game number 1. Ang ating last game in Junior Division. And Central to PGK West. Back to the ball game. Nanap ka na?
Duty.
Corcolon. Intercepted by Almonte. Binigay kay Halil. Halil hesitates, fakes. Binigay kay Almonte. Perimeter jumper. 2 points by Almonte.
Almond? Sino si Almond?
Bayang ka deep. Magandang gabi po kay Kasihan Alberto Cadaga. Magandang gabi po, Konsi. 10 seconds to shoot. Corcolon takes it right. It's a foul. Oscar rep, jersey number 14. Almonte. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots by Corcolon. First throw, it's good.
Konsi, baka naman.
Ha?
Konsi, baka naman.
Konsi, baka naman. Last throw by Corcolon. It's too strong. Break rebound para kay Corcolon. Spinning movement. It's a good. Rebound by Khalid. Binigay kay Malayo. Back to Almonte Bay. Binigay kay Malayo. 14 seconds to shoot. Bilo. Binigay kay Halili. 9 seconds to shoot. Halili. Binigay kay Malayo. Fires for 2. Is that a good? Rebound by Alcantara. Ipinasa kay Corcolon. 2 points by Corcolon. Wala ang timeout.
Uy, Kapitan!
Nako ni Almonte. It's a good. Almonte again. 2 points by Almonte. Injury timeout. Substitution rep. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas.
Ano yung dapat? Baka napatuon.
Corcolon. Binigay kay De Castro. Alvaro. It's a good. Rebound by Alcantara. Alcantara fires for 2. It's a good. Pero may foul. Foul. Jersey number 32. Alvaro. First personal foul. First team foul. For Esquinita.
Pero pag namarok, lalaban nyo. Narig na tawa yung tatay ko.
Halili. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Malayo. The score is 10-18 in favor of Jonas Pitt. Corcolon takes 2 points by Corcolon. 15 seconds to shoot. Halili, binigay kay Pino. Bars for 3. Pino, 3 points.
Ha? 21.
Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Amparo. Binigay kay De Castro. 12 seconds to shoot. De Castro long run fires 3. It's not good. Rebound, it's ball possession 4. Jonas Bell substitution rep. De Castro out. Borja in.
Gawa ka hindi kaya nabubulilo ako.
May candy ka ba?
Hmm.
Ha? May candy ka ba?
Halili. Spin go. Pass to Almonte. Almonte breaking the jumper. It's not good. Rebound by Corcolon. Borja. Down by Almonte. Nako ni Halili. Halili sa tabi. Halili. Step back. Fix. Sinasa kay Malayo. It's not good. Rebound by Corcolon. Sinasa kay Corcolon. Takes and try. It's not good. Rebound by Almonte. Almonte. Sinasa kay Almonte. 2 points by Almonte.
Time.
Amparo. Binigay kay Borja. 13 seconds to shoot. Corcolon fires for 2. 2 points by Corcolon.
May mata. Ako pa niyo. Meron na pala.
Nakanak. Almonte. Binigay kay Pilo. Pilo fires for 3 again. It's not good. Out of bounds. Timeout. Bonus field.
Boss B.
Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. The score is 23-14. Lamang ang Jonas Pitt.
May alam.
Ha?
Ayos, ayusin mo na yung tagay.
Halo-halo. Para may foul. Was foul na rin. Jersey number 9, Borja. Borja first personal foul. Second team foul. Kalong-kalong. Binigay kay Almonte. Kanya pa rin. Intercepted by Corcolon. Ayan na si Alcantara. Borja fakes. Umalag. Resetting a play. 12 seconds to shoot. Borja. 5 seconds to shoot. Borja fires for 3 points by Borja. Serilia. Nakakita si Malayo. Malayo. Spinning ball. Perimeter jumper in the shaded area. 2 points by Malayo. Last 1 minute. Borja.
No, dito, wow.
10 seconds to shoot. Amparo fakes. Perimeter jumper. It's too short. Rebound by Almonte. Nakakuha ni Malayo. Malayo. It's a good. Nakakuha niya ang paro. Binigay kay Corcolon. 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 2 points by Corcolon. Last 30 seconds.
Thank you, thank you.
15 seconds to shoot. Hitting out. Last 17 seconds. Borja. 2 points by Borja. Last 12 seconds. Shot clock is dead in the first quarter. Last 5 seconds. Amparo is taken out. The score is 21-25. Lamang ang Jonas Bay.
Mamaya na yun, pagka... Sana ako kay Bak.
Gab sa income. Gab.
Iyak ka. Wala si... Dave, awat ka na, wala ko si Pupo. Dapat Pupo. Wala si Pupo na iiba. Siwak.
Back to the ball game. Ball possession for Esquinita.
Oo. Low socks, so pwede. Low socks, so pwede. Hindi naman medyo sikret. Ano ba yan? Aimal.
Corcolon again. David 12 seconds to shoot. Corcolon bumitaw ng floater. 2 points by Corcolon. Halik. Al-Madifi. Back to back. Bilog pa ng sakit. Al-Antara nagmamadali. Al-Antara is a good follow by Emilia. 2 points by Emilia. The score is headlock 25. Almonte. 2 points by Almonte.
30.
Ano yun?
Jeremy.
Alcantara nakakita si David na sa kilay. Perimeter jumper. It's not good. It's a foul.
Alman.
Foul. Jersey number 14. Miliar. First personal foul. First team foul for Esquinita.
Ay, schedule. Square lang. Hindi, square.
On bounce it. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 0, Alcantara. First personal foul, second team foul for Esquinita. 14 seconds to shoot. Again, 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ali, long range 3, rebound by Corcolon. Corcolon. Binigay kay Develia. Binigay kay Corcolon. Knock by Almonte. Advance in same ball. 14 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Midlar, ibinigay kay Rocolon. Binigay kay Divilla. Binigay kay Rocolon. Inside the SA, traveling without passport. Almonte. Jelly outside, setting good rebound by Divilla. Alcantara.
Sakit na wala.
Corcolon, lazy round. Gives it 2 points by Corcolon.
Nakikita ka lang nalidik eh. Sakit na agad eh.
15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Ali. Pero may foul. Foul. Jersey number 28, Ali.
Ilan pala kaya?
Per second.
Second personal foul by Halili. First team foul for Jonas P.
Mainit.
Boss. Boss, wow.
Sorry.
12 seconds to shoot. Milyar. Nag-practice yan kagabi. Ayun na si Almonte. Almonte nagmamadali. 4-2-4. Sira. It's a offensive foul for Almonte. Substitution ref. Alcantara out. Borja in.
Defensive, Almonte. First. Almonte.
Jersey number 19, Almonte. First personal foul.
Patawag. Hindi ka nang papaswatlight. Hindi na. Hindi ka nang papaswatlight. Hindi ka nang papaswatlight.
Oh, hindi.
Corcolon is 2 points by Corcolon. The score is 29-27. Lamang na po ng 2 puntos ang Eskinita. 15 seconds to shoot.
Rap. Nakaraip na iba yun.
Intersected by. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 14. Substitution ref. Milyar out. Milyar out. Milyar, second personal foul.
Second team.
Third team foul. Time out. Jonas Speed.
Finally, man! Ha! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Mula sa bayan ng Kalawan, sigaw ng pangarap ay tunay. Dito sa masiit, bawat galaw may puso, may danggal, walang sablay. Bawat tribo, bawat tira, laban.
The score is
Silang forma, hinasa sa
29-27
abuti ng tagumpay.
in favor of Eskinita. Last 6 minutes and 18 seconds.
Galing masit, sa barangay ng masit. This is it, masit. Ang sigaw ng
Ball possession for Jonas B. Shoutout kay Aris Cosco. Alin. 15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Alin. Advance. Ball possession for Eskinita.
Para ako nag-drop yun. Ha? Para ako nag-drop. Parang bola mo. Parang bola mo.
Perimeter jumper by Divilla. It's a good rebound by Corcolon. 2 points by Corcolon. The score is 31-27. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by Bora-Bora. Nagmamadali Bora Mare. Borja. Inali yung pass. Napalakas. Corcolon. Pero may foul. Foul, jersey number 22, Kilo. First personal foul, second team foul sa substitution rep. Every out. Almonte. 2 shots by JP Corcolan. First throw, it's good. How about the second throw?
Kulang pa gano'n sa machine. Mamaya. Ikaw magpausap ko. Ito lang yan.
Dali-dali lang.
Second throw, it's good by Corcolan.
Kasama mo?
Ali. 15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Intercepted by Corcolan. Nakakuha ni Villa. Back to Corcolan. Corcolan. Pinasa kay Corcolan. Pero may foul. Jersey number 25. Almonte. First personal foul. Third team foul for Jonas Bean. 2 shots by Corcolan. First throw is good. How about the second throw?
Sa pag-trip ko pala sa wako. Takapon. Tapos?
34.
The score is 34-27. Lamang ang Eskinita. Last 5 minutes. Nakakuha ni Big. Pero may foul. Foul, jersey number 30. Constitution rep, De Villa out.
First, warning penalty.
De Castro in De Villa, first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Okay, bongbong.
10 seconds to shoot. Hilo, it's not good. Shot out na kay Bongbong.
Oh, no, kapon.
Shot out daw sa'yo, Bongbong.
Hindi pinapansin kami ng kasi.
Sabi ni kayo, Bongbong. Out of bounds, it's ball possession for Jonas Bean.
Ano po yun?
Gano'n no? Ano tayo?
Late ka na dumating.
Almonte, binigay kay Almonte. Lazy Rob, drives it up. It's not good. Rebound by Vino. Lazy Rob, blocked by Corcolan. Pinasa kay De Castro nagpapadali. De Castro takes inside. It's not good. Out of bounds. Ball possession for Jonas Bean. Almonte, it's not good. Ayan na si Bora nagmamadali Bora pa rin. Pinasa kay Corcolan. Bumunits by Corcolan. Almonte, 2 points by Almonte.
Easy.
Borja, 3 points.
Upo muna kayo, Dick.
Alin, intercepted. Foul, substitution rep.
Number 5,
Corcolan, jersey number 5 out.
warning penalty. Penalty.
Sino ba? Jersey number 7?
Penalty po, penalty.
Ilan daw si Corcoran 7? First.
Jersey number 7, Corcolan, first personal foul, penalty. 2 shots by Alini.
Pinagulat yung mga sponsor.
The score is 39-30. Second throw is good by Ali. The score is 39-31. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Alcanara fires for three. It's a good rebound by Almonte. Alili. Pero may foul. Jersey number 9, Borra. Second personal foul penalty. Last 3 minutes and 2 seconds.
Kapause ako.
2 shots by Halili.
Okay. Oski. Rinig ko.
Tipid.
Rinig ko siya.
Bago lang ka.
It's a good rebound by Corcolan. Borra, big. Pass, out of bounds, ball possession for Jonas G. Time out! Estelita! Both teams wala na po kayong timeout. Last 2 minutes and 47 seconds. The score is 39-32 in favor of Estelita.
Basketball Development League. Basketball Development League. Mula sa bayan ng Kalawan, sigaw ng pangarap ay tunay. Dito sa masiit, bawat galaw may puso, may dangal, walang sablay. Bawat dribble, bawat tira, laban ko ng
Halili.
Baho lang.
Almonte floater, it's too short. Rebound by Borra. Borra. Pinasakay. Corcolan binigay kay Castro setting a play 15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Borra fires for three. It's a good rebound by Halili. Halili. Bumilo na Soto, it's too short. Rebound by Castro nagmamadali.
Hindi na kaya ni guys kung lumapit eh. Bulusog-sugod.
It's a good rebound by Almonte fires to three. It's a good rebound by Alcantara. Alcantara nagmamadali. De Castro. Back to Corcolan. Corcolan. Nakabuelo. Pero may foul.
Sa.
Substitution rep. Halili and Borja. Pumupula and Corcolan in foul. Jersey number 25 Almonte. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 1 minute and 52 seconds. Pumupula. Binigay kay Almonte. 14 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Almonte yung step. Floater. It's a good rebound by Corcolan. Pinasakay. De Castro. De Castro. Out of bounds. It's same ball. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Corcolan from pass by. Corcolan moving on the floor. It's starting good. Out of bounds. Ball possession for the other speed. Substitution rep. De Castro out.
Dami lang.
Almonte, jersey number 4. Ayan na po, okay na po.
Technical ha. Warning for technical.
Almonte, warning for technical foul. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Almonte far to free. Tanago na ako ni Almonte pa rin. Trapas by malayo. Malayo. Pinibo. Trapas by Almonte. Almonte reverse layup. It's not good. Rebound by Carpolon. Pinasa kay Alcantara. Alcantara nagpapadala. Alcantara nagpapadali pa rin. Alcantara. Carpolon. It's not good. Out of bounds. It's ball possession for Jonas Bill. Oh, Almonte blocked by Carpolon. Technical foul by jersey number 14, Almonte.
Kasama sa personal call. Ha? Kasama sa personal. Oo, kasama yan ha? Second. Walang call kasi sa ano. Kasi ano yung practice. Market na ball yun eh. Walang call. Dito lang ang call. Pag sa kamay, wala nang call. Kahit kayo ganun.
Ilang Paul ni Almonte? Second.
Nakarin ko yung bag. Here, kami. Oh!
It's a good ball position for
Wala.
Puti. Puti. Puti, wala yung ino.
last 45 seconds. Again, last 45 seconds. Oh, walang part to 3. It's a good. Prima tayo Alcantara. Alcantara nagmamadali. Alcantara para binigay kay Corcolon. Corcolon. Pero may foul. Jersey number 8, 9 pala. Sorry. Jersey number 9. Boom. First personal foul penalty.
Penalty, penalty.
Penalty po.
Galaway legit. Masid Basketball Development League. Mula sa bayan ng Kalawan, sigaw ng pangarap ay tunay. Dito sa masiit, bawat galaw may puso, may dangal, walang sablay. Bawat dribble, bawat tira, laban ko ng puso, di lang forma. Hinasa sa araw-araw na sipag para abuti ng tagumpay, walang sagad. Lakasan mo ang drip, basta galing masiit, sa barain ng masit, galawanan ay legit. This is it, masiit, ang sigaw ng liga, masiit Basketball Development League, buong puso diwa. Tunay na palaban, batang kalye over city, sa masiit nagsimula, bitbit ang legacy. Teamwork at tiwala, dito ang
Para tumama ka. Bo, medyo nataw si Kate. Medyo nyo siya si Kate.
Bumula 6. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 30 seconds. Oh. Paro lays it up. 2 points. Teka lang. Content ba, rep? Content po. It's a basket count.
Ano snail?
The score is 44-32.
46.
46. Sorry po. Sorry po. Pinakasulat naman po eh. Sorry po. Last 20 seconds. Corvalon lays it up. It's very good. Last 12 seconds. Hello. Ano po ang tawag, rep? Ano po ang tawag? Double foul! Foul by Pilot. Foul by Amparo.
Pero kasi kay 36. Wala. Alis lang. Araw position tayo, nasa itaas ang bola.
Second personal foul by Bilog. Second personal foul by Amparo. Wala pong penalties. Ang sinusundan po natin ay ang araw. Maraming salamat po. Last 12 seconds. Shot clock is dead. Last 5 seconds.
Bayaw.
End of the second quarter, the score is 46-32. Lamang ang Eskinita. Malpeto. Beijing Consalpeto.
Taga-bonus. Okay na.
Lega from Barso 3. It's Saragu. Raymond by Almonte. Binigay kay Halil. Binigay kay Pino. Barso 3. It's Saragu. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 21. Corcolon.
Ay. 21 first.
First personal foul. First team foul. For Esquinita. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul rep. Jersey number 0, Alcantara. Second personal foul. Second team foul for Esquinita. 2 shots by Almonte.
Dalawa lang ka. 10. Dalawa.
Sino?
Alcantara. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Sorry.
Sorry akin. Umiyak siya.
Salaw.
Bilog is very good. Rebound by Corcolon. Top 4. It's very good. Rebound by. Ayan na si Halil. Halil in and out. Pero may foul. Foul. Jersey number 0. Alcantara, third personal foul, third team foul. Constitution rep, Alcantara out. Verdia in. The score is 46-33. 2 points, 5 Bilog.
Oo. Yas at yan niya.
Ang parang binigay kay 10 seconds to shoot. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 8. Ebrio. First personal foul, first team foul for Jonas Bill. 2 shots by Amparo. Ganda na sapatos. Second throw is good. Boy Amparo.
Naku po.
It's a record. Rebound by Corcolon. Pinasa kaya para sa play. Nakita si Devilla fires for 3. It's a good rebound by Pino. Pero may foul. Jersey number 30 Devilla. Substitution red. Alvaro out. Jersey number 30 Devilla. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Tira mo, dyan yung pwede.
Halili in and out. Hesitate. Lays it up. It's a good. It's a unsportsmanlike foul.
26.
28.
Ano yun? May pahinga yun. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Halili. Unsportsmanlike foul. Sit out for 3 minutes.
Second team foul.
May team foul ba? Ilang foul?
Second. Second team foul. Guys, third team foul.
Third.
Third personal foul by Halili. Second team foul for Jonas B.
Tatlo po.
Tatlo po. De Castro binigay kay Corcolon. Drives it out. Back to the Villa binigay kay Borja. Back to De Castro. Step up. Far for three. In and out. In. Rebound by Cerilla. Cerilla. Pero may foul. Jersey number 15, De Castro. First personal foul. Penalty. Substitution ref. De Villa out. Corcolon in.
Ayun ang ating talo.
First throw by Cerilla, it's good.
Ayan ang tanod.
Second throw by Cerilla.
Ayun ang.
Second throw, it's good by Cerilla.
May beto nga eh.
Corcolon. Binigay kay De Castro. Far for 2 points by De Castro. The score is 51-37.
Rivalry nga pala to, no?
Cerilla binigay kay Almonte sa gitna. Binigay kay Almonte. Almonte D. Lazy up. 2 points by Almonte. Advance, ball possession for Jonas B. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Almonte, binigay kay Almonte. Nakakuha ni. Intercepted by Borja. Ang bilis. Borja again. It's very good. Nakakuha ni Cerilla. In and out. Intercepted by Borja. It's a traveling violation. Substitution rep. Corcolon JB out. Alcantara in. Substitution rep. Every out. Almonte. Shoutout daw kay Karkar. Shoutout sa'yo Karkar. Pino pass for 3. And Saren goes 2 points by Almonte.
Boss Marbs, phenomenal. Boss Marbs, phenomenal.
Borja pass for 3. Out of bounds, ball possession for Jonas. Cerilla. Binigay kay Almonte. Almonte. Nakakita si Bill. Bill of Bates. Pero may foul. Jersey number 5. Corcolon. First personal foul. Penalty.
Jaoy. Bisa sa
Shoutout daw kay Jacoy. Sabi ni Arvin Manyala.
Ha?
Shoutout daw kay Jacoy.
Sino yun?
Out of bounds, ball possession for Espinita.
Ano pala siya PKB?
Shoutout daw kay Tisoy, sabi ni Bokbok. Borja, binigay kay Teka sa Corcolon, it's Saragood, dribble by Alcantara, it's Saragood, dribble by Almonte. Almonte nagmamadali, for the board, Alcantara. Corcolon again, drop pass, out of bounds, ball possession for substitution rep. Alcantara out, Corcolon in.
Friend forever. Ano pala sa SKKB? Ayun na, ayun, nasa meron. Ayun.
Kevin, kamusta quiz? Kevin. Shoutout daw sa'yo, Kevin Aquino. Wala. Borja fires for 3! Borja, 3 points! Bilog susubok din. It's a good. Rebound by Corcolona. Ina si Corcolona. Nakakuha ni Bilog. Nakita si Almonte. Almonte. Pero may foul. Corcolona. Second personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Oh, aray po. Oh,
Gugupitan kita. Di pa. Oh, okay.
First throw by Almonte is good. How about the second throw by Almonte? Okay, okay.
Buti.
Pagsunod.
Buti, may time.
Substitution rep. Serilla out. Halilin. Third. Rebound by Almonte. Halili. 2 points by Halili. Almonte na kaya si Bilo. Lazy run. 2 points by Bilo. Time out. Esquinita. Wala na po tayo mga tang Esquinita habang ang Jonas ay may isa pa. Last 4 minutes and 38 seconds in the third quarter. The score is 54-47.
patay yun. Oo, yung ito.
It's a rebound by Almonte. Malayo. Intersected by Corcolon. Corcolon. Drop pass. Corcolon again. It's a basket count. Foul rep. Jersey number 25. Almonte. Third personal foul. 13 foul for Jonasville. Bonus shot by Corcolon. Bonus shot is good by Corcolon.
Sakit. Tinig sa lagi. Yung pag
Malayo. Travas. Almonte. 12 seconds to shoot. Ano ba? It's a traveling violation. Ball possession for Esquinita. Timeout, Jonasville. Both teams, wala na po kayo timeout. Last 3 minutes and 59 seconds. The score is 57-47.
League. Mula sa bayan ng Kalawan, sigaw ng pangarap ay tunay. Dito sa masiid, bawat galaw may puso, may dangal, walang sablay. Bawat dribble, bawat tira, laban ko ng puso.
Ay, kalaki duty mo.
Paging SK Prince.
Bawal pa kayo.
Hold on. Paso Alcantara. 2 points by Alcantara.
Ha?
Nakagulat lang.
15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Halili part for 2. It's a good rebound by Corcolon. Corcolon lays it up. 2 points by Corcolon. Halili, 15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Almonte. Pero may foul. Foul, jersey number 5. Second personal foul. Penalty. Substitution ref. Malayo out. Almonte in. Two shots by Almonte. Our last game in the finals. Game number 1 is Junior Division. El Centro versus BGK West.
Di ba ka? Hindi ka nalalaro, ikayawin niya.
How about a 5-4-3? It's not a good. Nakakuha ni. Pero may foul. Foul. Jersey number 25. Almonte. Warning for fouled out. Warning for penalty.
Ah? Ikaw ba magkakontrol ulit? Spotlight?
It's not a good rebound by Almonte. Binigay kay Almonte. Binigay kay Halili.
Sabi ko maglaro ka na.
Out of bounds, ball possession for SK Data. Substitution rep. Sino pabaldan? Almonte, jersey number 25 out.
All si Justin. Yun.
Corcolon, drop pass by Corcolon. Corcolon feeds. Corcolon, back to Corcolon. Perimeter jumper. It's a good rebound by Halili.
Sino si Mel Gods?
Almonte. Pero may foul.
Hintay mo pa ba ang eskalita?
Wala na.
Wala na pong timeout. Foul.
Number 5.
Hello.
Third. Second. Yeah. Third na si Kuya na. Second si Kuya.
Corcolon, jersey number 5. Third personal foul.
Second.
Corcolon, jersey number 7. Second personal foul. Corcolon, it's not good. Ayun na sa Almonte, nagmamadali. Almonte takes it by. Reverse layup, it's not good. Rebound by Corcolon. Binigay kay Amparo. Fires for 3. It's not good. Rebound by Corcolon. It's not good again. Rebound by Halili. Pinasa kay Vino. Fires for 3. It's not good. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 3. Malayo. First personal foul. Penalty. Saan. Two shots by Alcantara.
Oo.
Wala kang pagbasa dyan, papatil mo.
Just 1 minute and 47 seconds. The score is 62-51 in favor of Esquinita.
Aray!
Ang mabuhay ay nato ka kasi.
Isa po.
Out of bounds, ball possession for Esquinita. Corcolon. Intersected by Bilog na kita si Almonte. Almonte fakes. Almonte. It's very good. Out of bounds. Ball possession for Esquinita. Alcantara. Resetting a play, 15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Two points for Corcolon. Oh, galit na galit. Bilog lays it up, it's too strong. Rebound by Amparo. Lang. Corcolon! 2 points by Corcolon. Almonte, 3 points.
Ano yan?
Last 35 seconds. Nakakuha ni Halil. Nakakuha ni. Out of bounds, it's the same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Again, last 10 seconds to shoot. 27 seconds. In the third quarter.
Alam mo yung mga
Ang gagawin sa pasto na.
Hindi. Bigay ano.
Corcolon fires for 3. It's not good. Last 20 seconds. Shot clock is dead. 2 points by Halili. 12 seconds. Last 7 seconds.
Takot si Omer. Ano na? Parang si Wow.
End of the third quarter. The score is 66-56.
Galaw ay get.
Wala pa na akong yan.
Mas basketball development mula sa bayan ng Kalawan, sigaw ng pangarap ay tunay. Sa masiit, bawat
The junior division. El Centro versus TGK West.
Oh! Aba.
Ball possession for
Jonas.
Jonas Bill.
Ako na yan, huwag mo na baguhin.
Huwag na baguhin. Start na.
Almonte, it's a good rebound by Almonte, perimeter jumper, it's 2 points. By Almonte. Well, seconds to shoot on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. De Castro first on three. It's not good. Rebound by Almonte, nakita si Cerilla. Binigay kay Pilo. Pilo. Lazy rock. It's not good. Rebound by Cerilla. Binigay kay Pilo first on three. It's not good. Rebound by Cerilla. Lazy rock. 2 points by Cerilla.
Parang hindi malaki yan.
The score is 66-60. 2 points by De Castro.
Pagkakala ko Mavs yun ah.
Oo nga.
Coach Mard.
Halong-halong. Jumper. 2 points by Halong-halong. The score is 68-62. Lamang pa rin po ang Eskinita. Fourteen seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Alcantara. Binigay kay Corcolon. Corcolon again. Binigay kay De Castro. Resetting a play. 7 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Alcantara.
Ang tawag siya?
Twister man. RB Dagdag.
Cerilla. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 5.
Warning.
Corcolon jersey number 5. Warning for graduation. Substitution set. Almonte out. Almonte in.
Number 5.
Corcolon jersey number 5. Warning for graduation. First foul for Eskinita. First throw by Cerilla. It's not good. How about the second throw? In and out. Sumigil pa. Corcolon. It's not good. Corcolon again. It's not good. Rebound by Bilog FC. Both teams may tigdalong po kayo timeout. It's not good again. Rebound by Alcantara. De Castro far short 3. It's too short. Rebound by Almonte, nakita si Cerilla. Nagbago pa ng bola, nagmamadali. Cerilla, drop out. Almonte, pero may foul. Foul jersey number 21, Corcolon.
Sa third.
Third personal foul, second team foul. Fourth. Eskinita, 2 shots by Almonte.
Pag-shoot yung last.
Pag-shoot po. Pag-shoot po yung last. Di po, wala pa tira.
First throw is good. Ay, Almonte.
Timeout ba?
Time out ba, Sam?
Ano po ba? Sub timeout.
Sab lang, sab.
Sangli.
Second throw is good. Cancellation ref.
Ilang kayo dyan.
Mabuti ko.
Rep, takin, rep.
Sabihan mo na lang eh.
Technical foul. Hindi ka nakatali. Pero po. Ang ganda ng nice mo ah.
Sabi nice.
Wala naman sa personal call na technical lang.
Pag yun na po, pag-shoot. Ay, Todd. Dead ball ba?
Good. Substitution na rep. Serenya out. Nag-error lang po. Nag-error lang po yung buzzer. Pasensya na po, tao lang. Almonte fires for two. It's not good. Rebound by De Villa. Out of bounds. Ball possession for Jonas. Sorry po. The score is 65-70 in favor of Halili. 3 points. The score is 68-70. Seconds to shoot. Alcantara, 2 points by Alcantara.
Inilas ko kasi.
Ay, bigay sinilas ko.
Halong-halong fires for three. Halong-halong 3 points. The score is 72-71. Isa na lang po kalamangan ng Sinita. 15 seconds to shoot. De Villa. Binigay kay Alcantara. 2 points by Alcantara. Sorry na, Jake Aquino. Almonte fires for 3. It's not good. Pero may foul. Substitution rep, Amparo out, Corcolonin. Alcantara jersey number 0, warning for foul out. 13 foul. Both teams may tig-dalawa po kayong timeout. Palangka na binigay kay Bilo. Fires for 3. Bilo! 3 points! The score is deadlock, 74! 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Alcantara try. It's not good. Corcolon. It's not good again. Corcolon again. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 19, Almonte. Second personal foul. First team foul for Jonas Bill. 2 shots by Corcolon.
Ano ba kayo nagsapat sa akin dalawa?
First throw is not good. How about the second throw?
Oh, wala sa loob. Technical po team.
It's goes by Corcolon. The score is 75-74. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds in the fourth quarter. 15 seconds to shoot on that shot clock. Halili hesitates. Spinning move. Almonte is starting it again. Nakakuha ni Alcantara. Alcantara nagmamadali. Alcantara pa rin. Alcantara bumitaw ng floater. 2 points for Alcantara. Out of bounds. Right now. Jonas Bill. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng Jonas Bill. Habang ang Eskinita ay may dalawa pa. Last 4 minutes and 12 seconds. In the fourth quarter, the score is 77-74. Lamang ang Eskinita.
Basin mo po.
Back to the ball game.
Jonah Romel. Oh,
Okay. Mamaya na. 15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Corcolon. Nakakita si De Castro. 9 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Nabitawan ni intercepted mga kaibigan. Ayan na si Alili. Alili. First having a play. Hesitate. Break. Alili. Ayan na si De Castro. Mira sa kay Corcolon. Pero may foul. Foul jersey number 14, Almonte. Third personal foul. Second team foul for Jonas Field. 2 shots by Corcolon.
Puro kayo Corcolon. Ha? Puro Corcolon. Ano ba yan?
First throw is good. Last 2 minutes and 27 seconds.
Isa na lang. Baga. Maganda mong bito. Ano ba?
Alili nakita si Almonte binigay kay Alang Fix. Bumitaw ng floater. It's starting good. Rebound by Alcantara. Alcantara nagbabadala binigay kay Corcolon. Binigay kay De Castro. De Castro fires for 2. It's starting good. Rebound by Almonte. Binigay kay Almonte. Binigay kay Kalong-Kalong. 2 points by Kalong-Kalong. Last 2 minutes. De Castro fires for 3. Pasa pala yun. Ayan na si Almonte pero may foul. Foul jersey number 7, Corcolon. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
nice one.
Aray. Oh. Mamaya na kasi.
Ano binigay kay Almonte? Perimeter jumper! 2 points by Almonte. The score is 79-84. Lamangan Jonas Bill. Ano ba? 15 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Magsumunod ka na.
15 seconds to shoot. Hilo! 3 points! Timeout! Eskinita! Wala na pong timeout ang Eskinita. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds. The score is 79-87. In favor of Jonasville. Get ready na po ang ating next game in Junior Division. El Centro versus
Wala bang may penalty?
PGK West. Ready na ang ating mga players na maglakad na may spotlight. 14 seconds to shoot. Amaro Mars for 3. It's not good. Rebound by Bilog. Open si Almonte. 2 points by Almonte. Last 1 minute. Ano ba yan? Same ball. Last 58 seconds.
20 seconds shot clock. Ilang?
20 seconds to shoot.
Teka lang ah.
Corcolan tries for 3. Corcolan 3 points. Last 53 seconds. The score is 82-89. Kickball violation. Last 50 seconds. Rep. 14. Rep. Rep. 14 seconds to shoot. For Eskinita. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot by Almonte. Rebound again by Almonte. 10 seconds by Amaro. Napabitaw. Pero may foul. O spot rep. Jersey number 23. Aroy. 28. Alili.
Nalili, sorry.
Sorry, Alili. Alili.
Warning.
24. Fouled out. 13 foul.
Apat lang. Ano bakit tusok ka ng tusok?
First throw, it's good by Amparo. Last 40 seconds. Ready na po ang ating next game in Junior Division Finals. Game number 1, El Centro versus PGK West. Second throw, it's good by Amparo. The score is 84-89. Foul. Jersey number 32. Third personal foul. Penalty. Nakikita ko si Justin Manalo, seryoso.
Seryoso si Justin eh.
Last 39 seconds. Second throw, it's good. Last 39 seconds. The score is 84-91. Amparo fires for 3. It's not good. Out of bounds. Ball possession 4. Jonasville. That's 31 seconds.
Po. Sino to? Kasi jogging lang.
Halili. 27 seconds. Halili. Tries for 3. It's not good. Last 20 seconds. Shot clock is dead. Amaro tries for 3. It's not good. Rebound by Corcolon. It's not good again. Last 10 seconds. Once again, congratulations for Jonas Good. Will take the game number 1 in finals. Best player of the game, wearing jersey number 20. 22 Bilog, and wearing jersey number 28, Halili.
Halili.